Well, there were times when the sky would bring me nothing except the smell of the rain at summertime. So I left my window open just to let you come inside, saying that you'd never leave me was a lie. And there were times that my eyes would fill with water, but all the world was desert dry. So I hugged my pillow closer and I tried to close my eyes, but the sound of distant thunder made me cry. Lady rain, I hear you at my window. Lady rain, I need you softly falling on my face. Why did the sunshine come and take you away? Awake you again, my lady rain. I hear the sound of her breathing